Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today, before we get into it, it's my birthday today. Yes, it's my birthday. And I'm in the garage filming videos. My wife says, I think you love your car more than you love me. I said, no baby, I would never love my car more than I love you. Plus I trade my car in every few years. You're still here. Yeah, we always have fun like that. But yeah, it's my birthday today. I know, Dan, I'm not 65. Thank you very much, bastard. So I won't be here for a week, so I gotta do the videos now and have them ready to put up for you guys when I'm gone for about a week. So today I got some foot pedals from my haul video you see that I'm gonna be installing on the car. So I have to powder coat them first. Yeah, I like powder coating. I like changing things up. If I don't like them, I'll just take them out and put it back to factory or do another color. But for now, I powder coated them. And I also have a new starter button to put in. So that's what I'm gonna put in too. But you know, I'm just gonna get to it and get some work done because I'm also going to work later tonight. Yes, on my birthday, why not? I'm home alone, wife and kid is away. I might as well go work. Yeah, I could go out with some friends, but I'll do it later when it's warmer and I'll enjoy the weather. But for now, let's get powder coated. Here we have the pedals. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disassemble them and I'm gonna take off all this off the rubber because when I bake them, I doubt the rubber can stand up to that heat. Maybe it will. I don't want to find out the hard way. I'm gonna take them apart and then I'm gonna prepare them to be powder coated, and then we're gonna have some nice looking pedals. So to take them apart, all it is just 3 screws here. Same thing on this one. And on this one, it's glued in, so you have to take it off and then replace the glue later. So just have to take out these 4 screws. Sorry, 3 here. And then 3 over there. And let's see how this comes apart. Just pull it apart now. This part is off, and that's all I needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the other ones, and then I'm gonna polish this a bit because I don't want to have to do a 2-step, which put a chrome on it first and then the red. So, but if I polish this first, it will give it that nice shine chrome look, and that will eliminate 1 step. Now that I got everything in the boot nice and clean, oh yeah, I got a little bit of powder on here, but I wipe it down with alcohol, and now we got the candy red in here. We're supposed to do it chrome first, but since it's already this color, nice and shiny, I really don't have to, and it's my foot pedals. If I was doing it for someone else or a bigger piece, I would definitely do the chrome first. But you know, if it doesn't turn out good, I can always strip it and do it again. So let's see how it turns out. Yeah, it looks a little bit pink now, but I can guarantee you it's not gonna be pink. Oh, forgot to turn my fan on, pink when I'm done. There we go. Suck out the extra powder.
Do it real life.
I just love doing this stuff myself because this way I've paid to get stuff done already and it just didn't come out properly. This way, can't blame anyone but myself. But guess what? I'm not gonna blame myself because I'm gonna do a good job, a great job. Especially if I'm doing it for somebody else, because that's how I would want mine to look. So I tell you, I had the Eastwood powder and it was pink. I love the way this one is gonna look when it's done. So now that it's done, I'm gonna go put it in the oven and give it about, you know what, I can't really say how long. You have to wait till it reaches about 200 degrees and then bake it for 10 minutes after that. So I'm gonna do that, and when it's done, I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like after the powder coating. Came out pretty good. I can't wait to get it on and see what it looks like. But I did ones before and they were mostly pink, but this is more candy red. So I'm gonna put it on and see how it looks. Wow, just look how this turned out. It turned out great. I'm not tooting my own horn. Yes, the footrest had some bleed through, but you can't really see it down here. Maybe on the camera it shows up, but from here you can't really see the bleed through. And I have to say, I kind of like them. It just gives it a different look. So It's not for everyone, but for now I like it. I can change it back later, but yeah, it's good. So right here I have my start stop button in red. As you can see, this one over here is black. Yeah, it's the same size. Let's hope I don't go through all this trouble and it doesn't fit. So I have one of my friends here helping me. So he's gonna be popping off over there and I'm gonna be taking off over here. Then we're gonna take this out, switch it up, put it back on. So he's gonna start over there, pop the glove box open. I'm gonna put that there. And it's just all snapped. So there he goes. He has a 5 series, so he's done this many a time. Oh, turn off. Okay, turn off. And wow, he's gonna, let me grab my light. Okay, so what we have to unplug. Do we have to do all of that? Or we can take it out from here?
You got screws there.
Oh, there's 2 screws, and maybe there's 3. There's one on top too, or no?
Yes, so you probably have to unscrew it.
Oh.
It's torque.
Okay,
bits.
then we just unplug this. Let me go. You keep unplugging that, and then I'll go get the torques.
So let's do something you can't do in real life.
And oh, there is 3 of them. So we got 1, 2, 3 torques. This looks too big. Yep. And this looks too small. No, it's the right size. What is this? This is a T15. So we'll take all 3 of these out. Make sure you don't lose those. Because I guarantee you, BMW is gonna charge you too much for one of these.
I got spare ones.
Yo, you got spares everything. Jesus. The amount of spare parts you have, you can build another 5 for crying out loud. Trust me guys, he has a beautiful white 535i. I can't wait to show it to you guys. Hey, okay. There we go. So that's out. Now. Oops. Whoopsies. Okay, so we just pop this off. Have you ever taken this off?
Yes. Remember I painted one of my car, so.
Oh, come on, put it on camera so they can see you pop it off.
You might need to get the tool under there to release that
We
side.
need a pick or a screwdriver.
A pick might do it.
Yeah, but my picks are really sharp. I don't want you hurting yourself.
The hands have enough damage on them already, so they're good.
Yeah, because I hurt myself with these picks already. So, take a choice. Yeah, just, there you go. Oh, one down. And
Now, I've never taken one of them out, so
geez,
I'm going to leave that to you. Mine is still black.
well, there you go, everything back together. Sorry guys, I didn't show you everything, but there's a bunch of little clips you gotta take off to get it in. I thought the camera was recording, but silly me, it wasn't recording. But there she goes. Now we're gonna put everything back in.
Short side in first. Job done.
Man, just look at that starter button. That's how a starter button should look. So everything is done, put back together. I did lose some footage of me installing the pedals. The camera started to record and then it just stopped on its own. I didn't know. Is when I was editing, I realized the footage was missing. Even some of the footage for when I'm doing the starter button didn't record, but that's how it goes sometimes. But everything is done, put back together, looks good. There was a little bit of bleed through because I didn't do the chrome first. Now I know, so next time I'll do the chrome. But once it's installed in the car, you can't see it. And like I said, I can always change it later if I want, but for now, I like the way things look. Like I said, it's not for everybody, but personally, I like the way it looks. And that's it for now. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my birthday because I have to work tonight. Yes, I'm working tonight, why not? I'm home alone, wife's away, kids away. I should be going out with some friends, but I hate cold weather. I wait till it get warm, then we all get together and have a good time. But in the meantime, if you guys have any questions in the comments, go ahead, throw them in the comment sections. I'll get to them. Maybe when I get back. I doubt I'll have time to do it when I'm there. It's not a pleasure trip, but hey. So anything at all, throw it in the comment sections. I'll get back to it. And thanks for watching. And if you're new, consider subscribing. And laters.